Okay, so I've started kind of cutting out stuff for the fans. I'm going to add 3 fans. I'm going to have these 2 in the middle, that one there, have both pipes there. I think I'm going to spray paint this entire thing. I'm not sure what color yet. I'm also going to spray paint these tubes. There's my cat. I'm printing out more of these little covers to go over the fan because I think it will be nice. And then what I'm going to do too is I'm going to fill in these gaps with hot glue, and I'll spray paint all those gaps, and I'll just cover these fans when I'm spray painting it, I guess. The issue is I'm running into some problems. There's like a lot of flex. This piece has come loose. There's a gap in between here, which I don't want, and it's just not really looking too good right now, so I'm going to have to glue some parts. I have to figure a way to get these fans... Oh, you see, look at this. Keep the fans in this hole without this cutout, without like causing the entire lid to flex. So I'm thinking of like maybe adding some things on the bottom, or like some like skewers to like go across the entire thing just to keep the fans inside, like on top of it. It's kind of annoying, but I'm gonna figure it out. And I just wanted to update you guys on that. So I will come back to you guys when I've the spray painted and all that stuff done. Alright guys, so there's a little change in plans. I duct taped the entire thing because I learned the hard way that spray painting styrofoam makes it melt. So luckily it was only part of the top, and it was this area where like the duct tape's more rough. It melted right there. Which wasn't really that good, but the fans are still good, everything's fine. The wiring's all here, all the fans are glued in. I duct taped the entire outside part. My cat's here again. And yeah, so it's looking pretty good, honestly. And then I 3D printed these little covers, just because I thought it would add a cool little effect. Not a cool little effect, but it'd be a cool design feature of this. Also, I wanted to add some more 3D printed stuff to this. I'm still going to be adding some more stuff to it, like a little box with a switch and a plug for just turning it on and off. But anyways, I have these 3 things that go on top of the fans. It will look better once they're all glued. But they will sit on top of the fans. And then I got these PVC pipes also spray painted. They do not look too good, but I really don't care. The reason why they're not too good is I spray painted them on the side like this, when I really should have spray painted it like this. Also, this was my first time using spray paint, so I didn't really do a good job, but I don't really care how these look. They look okay, I think. And those will go into the holes right there and there. So I have a couple more things I want to add to this. I want to add a little box right here that you can stick a like barrel, jack, plug, whatever, however you call it, into it with the switch so I can turn it on and off. I also want to add a little LCD like right here with a temperature sensor like inside the PVC to record the temperature of the air, and use an Arduino to control it. And I think that would be really cool. Also, I need to add like a grating inside of this to keep ice on, and I have to have the PVC going through it, and I want to make some way to support the PVC so that they don't kind of flop around in there, especially if I'm going to do a giant extension like this, which is 4 feet tall. I need to add some sort of way to make the support better. I'm going to add a grating in there, glue these things, little on-off switch, power source, and a temperature sensor and LCD. So I will get back to you guys once that part of the project is done. I think I'm going to have to put it in a different video though, so stay tuned for that video, and I will see you guys in the next one.